Diane in Denmark here. Rah, rah, rah. Good morning. I've taken you with me this morning. I hope you can see me and hear me. I'm down at the coast. You know I live very close to the coast. I'll just give you a wee look. You can see all the bathing bridges down there. I'm meeting up with my bestie to have our morning swim in the sea, and I think I'll turn you around a bit in a wee minute because there could be people, naked people dipping there. But anyway, I wanted to give you a quick check. Hold on, let's see the other way as well. Beautiful, beautiful morning here. Oh, and by the way, I know it looks nice and sunshiny, and it is. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day, all the sunshine. But it is freezing cold. So actually, let me just keep warm until Vibeke comes. It was below freezing during the night. Anyway, I said I would keep checking in with you for our morning routine. And listen, if I can get outside and change outside here and have a swim in the sea, there is no excuse for you not to do a wee bit of gentle stretching at home. So I hope you're getting your exercise too. Anyway, let's go through our little list for today. I brought it with me, and let's take it from the top. And it is Friday morning if you've kind of lost track of the day, so happy Friday. Okay, I showered, put my makeup. I'm going for a kind of aqua theme today, as you can see. Dressed to shoes, obviously. I did a swish and swipe in the bathroom. What about a lol, your load of laundry? Do you need to put a load of laundry in? Do you need to take a load of laundry out, in, out, shake it all about? Do the hokey pokey and hang it up. Dishwasher. I'll be running our dishwasher probably after lunch. As I've said to you, we're in lockdown here in Denmark, and the family and my husband and the kids, they are working from home. As much as you can continue with usual routines. So we're running the dishwasher at different times of the day now, but we're at least we're maintaining that. I had my breakfast, actually ate my breakfast in bed because it was beautiful sunshine this morning. So I had my, I just eat cold rolled oats with milk and raisins. So I've done it in another video. I opened the window and I aired the place while I was having a shower. And then I've made the bed and closed the windows before I left the house. My outfit for tomorrow, I'll do that when I get back to the house today. Zone work or weekly home blessing hour. I'm fairly good with the zone this week, which is Flylady Zone for the bedroom. Excuse me. But I'll probably do a quick vacuum because the family are now at home 24 hours a day. I like to give a wee extra vacuum, and it's something I would normally do on a Friday because it just kind of makes the place feel fresh and ready for the weekend. My exercise, yesterday I did a run and I noticed we have so much pollen here right now, combined with the very low temperatures. It's actually quite difficult for me running, so I think I'm probably going to switch that over to doing a bike ride instead. And I'm not worrying about it and saying, oh, I can't do my usual run. I'm just changing to something else. You may be in the same situation, maybe you can't get out of the house, change over your normal going to the gym with maybe watching something online. There are plenty of alternatives. No excuse, we've just got to find a way around things. And self-preservation. Do something nice for yourself today. I've actually brought coffee for my after swim drink today. Normally Vibeke and I, or Helena and Vibeke and I, we normally have tea, but for a special treat I've brought coffee. And I've got it in my little flask. Hold on, I'll show you that later. And just a little check-in about this thing of, many of us being down in lockdown around the world. We're in different stages of lockdown. Maybe you've just come into lockdown, maybe you're locked down more than other people. Just continue with your usual routines as far as possible. And I'm not saying, be manic about it, but we've just got to keep moving forward, one foot in front of the other, and try and keep to a kind of regular schedule. Now, I've mentioned this in many videos, especially if you, even when the kids are home, during spring break or during the long summer holidays. I've mentioned to you, try and keep the kind of Monday to Friday routine, and then Friday afternoon we kind of say, okay, it's the end of the working week. We kind of pack things away, especially if you're working from home right now. try and pack away your computer that's maybe on the kitchen table. Try and pack it away. Also, if you already work from home, I've told you this before, try and treat it like an out of the house job. That if you've got any things that are on your mind, or phone calls that you need to make, things that you need to do, write it down on a list and have it ready for Monday morning. But don't be spending the whole weekend, doing little work things, because it all kind of mixes into one, and then you don't have like a set schedule anymore. I want you to enjoy the weekend as you normally would, as far as possible, and just keep going out there. So anyway, I'm on the lookout for Vibeke, and we will be bathing at a distance, and we will be having our cup of tea, or in my case cup of coffee, at a distance, but at least we can see each other and we're getting out and getting our exercise. And I'm just going to turn around because there are some swans. Woo, beautiful swans. The swan is the national bird of Denmark, Knopsvane, which is, I can't remember the translation right now, but I'll put it in a comment. Right, let me just turn around. Okay, let me see. Do you see them? They're just in front of the, hold on, right there. Yay, swans. Okay, anyway, all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish beautiful morning sunshine be with you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye for now.